This video is part of a series on research literacy produced by the Quebec Strategy for Patient-Oriented Research Support Unit. We will talk about different types of research. We can use different types of research in our studies. In the short video, we will introduce three main types: quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods research. Let's start with the most known type, quantitative research. As you can guess from the name, it is linked to quantity. This type of research allows us to quantify or to measure. Usually it is used to test a hypothesis, to evaluate a relationship between things, or to describe a population. Quantitative data is collected with standardized instruments or questionnaires to measure things such as height, weight, or blood pressure. The collected quantitative data is usually presented using numbers such as percentages and averages. The second research type is qualitative. In this type of research, we're not interested in measuring, but rather in understanding a phenomenon from the participant's perspective. Qualitative research is useful for generating theories to better understand a phenomenon. Interviews and focus groups are frequently used to collect qualitative data. The collected data, or what was said, for example, is transcribed to become text, which is then analyzed. More recently, researchers began to combine qualitative and quantitative methods in one study. This is called mixed methods research. In this type of research, the results obtained with quantitative and qualitative methods are integrated to answer different kinds of research questions. In mixed methods research, the quantitative and qualitative methods complement each other, allowing us to have a broader and deeper understanding of a phenomenon. Now let's look at some examples of the three research types. Let's say we're interested in yoga. In a quantitative study, we could look at the effect of yoga on weight loss. The research hypothesis could be that doing yoga helps us lose weight compared to not doing yoga. To answer this research question, we could make two groups. Participants in Group 1 will receive a yoga class, while participants in Group 2 will not. Participants' weight will be measured at different points during the study. We will then compare the weights between the two groups. This will allow us to answer our research hypothesis. In the quantitative example, we wanted to find out if participants lost weight or not, but we do not know what the participants thought about yoga, about their experience of the yoga class. A qualitative study can answer that question. We can interview participants to document their experience and opinions about yoga. In a different study, we may be interested in understanding why the yoga class allowed some participants to lose weight while the class had no effect on the weight of other participants. This question could be answered by using mixed methods. Quantitative methods will help us identify which participants lost weight and which did not. Qualitative methods will help us understand the participants' experiences and opinions. By combining the quantitative and qualitative results, we will be able to better understand why the yoga class worked for some participants and not for others. In this video, we briefly introduced the three main types of research: quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods. These research types can be used to answer different research questions aimed at understanding a phenomenon. Thank you for your time.